Hello, and welcome to the UK's latest nature programme. We are here in a normal suburban home, where we'll contact the lesser known spotted teenager, an animal rarely seen out of his bedroom, but if you follow me, we have managed to catch him doing an activity which he must have got from another human, which is inexplicably strange, because most things that they do are not copied from others. Please follow me through to the sanctuary of the wash area. This has been going on for almost 8 minutes, and he's managed to do this activity all on his own without any teaching. Now, if you'd like to follow me into the other area. We're in another area. This is the hallway. We use this to conduit between the main living area and the kitchen cleaning cookie area, which is unknown to these animals. Now, the strangest thing is, how did he find his way down into this area? I think we may have a once in a lifetime chance to video the animal at work. As you can tell, I've had many encounters with these teenagers. Let's go to another area. The lesser spotted teenager appears to have disappeared back to his hovel. Please come through and witness the works and the leavings of the animal. Here we have a sink with water and the workings of the animal as follows. One must leave. Here are the utensils that it has managed to use in creating a meal only for itself. Unfortunately, the animal has not progressed as we would like and has forgotten to wash up my bowls, as seen on the video. The only one thing we know is he's gone back to hibernation, and he will be hibernating for at least 10 hours with a PS4. 3, 2, 1 cut. Right, no, that's great. No, he's also left behind a tail which they shed when they get told to do any housework. Thank you for joining us on our tour of suburban Britain with the animal lovers of UK, us. I've been Craig Lemon. Good night.